Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna continue working on part 7 of this senior housing. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to add windows on all wing, so left wing and right wing, and from front and back. And in this video, we're gonna continue working on this. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a group out of this and we're gonna copy it all the way to level 8. So to avoid us getting confused, I will click on the DWG file, which is the AutoCAD file that we loaded for level 2. And what you have to do to delete it is you have to unpin this, and then once you unpin it, you can now delete it safely. And as you can see, we were able to do everything according to the plan with some slight um, alterations. So now what we need to do is we will need to copy everything except for all the um, stairs. So let me do that. So copy this, and then after that, click on create group. And then once we create the group, we will remove each of the stairs that we created here. So now we have group 1, press OK. After that, click on edit group, and then now we can safely remove this one. We also need to remove this. Don't forget about the railing. We're gonna remove this as well. So I made a mistake there, so I'm just gonna add it back and then click remove this one. And then we still have one here and also here. So after that, click finish, and we could go to 3D and we could double check. So now if we select this, you can see that there's like a dashed line that is covering all the walls, windows, doors. And then now we can safely click on copy clipboard and then paste this align to selected level. So we're gonna add it to level 3 up to level 8. So hold shift, select level 3 first, and then hold shift and then select level 8. Press OK and wait for AutoCAD to change. So it's still processing. So leave it. So once it's done, as you can see, we will need to click on each of this level and then ungroup it. It's because we will need to delete this one in the middle. So ungroup it, select the one at below, ungroup it again, ungroup this, ungroup this again, So this is basement, sorry, this is basement, first floor, second floor, third floor, and fifth. So until fifth, you will need to ungroup. So once you group, go to level 5, and then here you can now safely delete this. Go back to level 6, delete this. 7, you will delete this, and then 8. And then now it will look like this. So we actually don't need this as well. I'm just gonna delete it from this to be, oh, I just undo that. And then here we could delete it as well. So now we have this model. We just need to join this together. So now we could go to level 5, and then here, so here what we have to do is we need to delete this wall. So this will be 5 up to 8. And then here we could just click on this wall and type in CS. It will open the same wall, and we just need to add this there. So with this one, we could use TR, trim and extend, but before we align this, so let's align that and align this. So we need to unjoin this, AL, and then align, or just extend this. So I'm gonna delete this and do it again. CS, and then here we could just TR right here. This one as well. We need to extend this, but before that we need to add another wall here. So let's add this wall. So I'm gonna select this wall and then type in CS again, and let's add the wall right here up to here, and then TR like that. Then let's look at it 3D. So I'm just gonna delete this. I'm gonna delete this wall so that I could just copy this. So I'm gonna select this and select this as well. But before that, actually, I'm just gonna delete this. And I want to fix this. Okay. So now that I'm happy with what it looks like, I'm gonna select those walls. So holding on control button, and then I'm just gonna copy to clipboard and paste or align to selected levels. So that will be 6, 7, and 8. Okay. So that's good. I'm satisfied with that. We just need to add in the roofs here and then some floors. So here, let's go to the level 3. Like I said earlier, it's different. So I just want to ungroup it first. This is different because we need to add walls right here. So I'm just gonna use this wall, interior wall, and then press CS. We just need to add wall like that. We need to add walls like this as well here. But before that, you can extend this one right there. And another wall there. So same wall. CS. Wall here as well. And this will be the library. So we just need to add door. So let's add in the double door right here. I will need to extend this. So all the way there. And then now this is the library and we need double door to add it there. We need the other door, single flush right here, and another double door. And then here we could safely delete this, and we can see what are we missing at. So it will be open below. We could add in a curtain wall here, and this will be connected. Um, so the library is connected from both wing. So we have a quiet room here, and this is the library area. So next is level 4. So in level 4, we have a chapel. Same thing, we need to extend this. This wall will be extended all the way there. Same by using the same wall. So CS, we're gonna add it here, add a wall right here. And then this wall right here. We're gonna add this wall as well, all the way there. And we have this wall here. And as you know, we have a stairs here. So we just need to add double doors. We don't need a door there. Actually, we need it. So we could have something there. And now we need the door here. So the single flush. So now we could safely delete this, unpin it first, and then delete. So let's see. So now we can keep on deleting. So we need to ungroup it. And let's delete the AutoCAD files. So it's basically cleaning up. And then here, the level 5 is the roof of this, but we still need to remove the AutoCAD file. And as you can see, it's not showing because it's not part of that anymore. And of course, we forgot to extend this. So that's level 4. So give me a second. This is level 4. So actually it's just there. We just need to add a roof and we're good to go. So in terms of floor, we will need to add floors here. So click floor. So we're going to start in level 2. So level 1 is very straightforward. But in level 2, we have this. So we need to connect this and then use pick line to go around here. And then we need this line to do that. And let's connect it like that. So let's delete this. Same here. We need this. So a line and then another line to go there. And we just need to put railings around here. Okay, so now let's click this pick line again and go around from the inside. So I need to undo that. So here we could cut it here because we will need to have this one opened. Same thing as here. So something like that. There will be a lot of cleanup. Okay, so now we need to clean up every corners. As you can see, there is a lot of overruns. But if you miss something, it will show you where you miss it anyway. So it's not something that will be a big deal. So if you miss it, you miss it. Okay, so it looks like it's good. Let's see. So now it will show us what so we have it there. Continue, TR, and then need to show it again. So we have it here. So we just need to continue again, and then TR. Don't attach. And then now we have it like that. Let's quickly add railing. So let's add railing right there to connect here. Done. And then use same railing. We're just gonna add it here and connect it all the way there. And then finish. So now we have our railing. We will add another railing here as well. We almost forgot that. This is a curved one. So roughly like that. So we have everything there. Next is, let's go to level 3. So you just need to do the same thing with here. The only changes that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close this. So TR, I'm going to extend this wall like that. So same wall. And I'm gonna copy this like that. So this will be another roof. As you remember, in level 2, it's just this. This one is going from level 1 to level 2. After level 3, this is opened already. So we have that space now. And then we just need to add this. So copy this, remove the constraint, and let's just roughly add it here. And then do modify, and you got the same thing as well. So now what you could do as well is you could copy um, all the stairs as well. So it's up to you to do now. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add a door there for the stairs. And this is probably the elevator. I couldn't find elevator only door, so I'm gonna look for it and then I'll just add it on the final. So here, what I'm gonna do is let's jump into level 4 and let's add in a roof. I'm gonna pick line and I'm going to add the roof like this, but make sure uncheck the define slope. I just want it to be, so I'm just gonna delete this. So I'm just gonna delete this for now and then click on roof again And I'm gonna duplicate this roof 1, and let's edit this thickness to 200, and then OK, and then OK. Let's pick line, uncheck define slope, and let's add it here. So there, TR, and then here we need to base it on level 5. So here we have an overrun, and let's look at it. So we have it there, and actually we need to add here as well. So I'm gonna edit that, and let's go to level 2 so that we could see it better. Place pick line, and then TR, and click finish, and let's see it again. So that's good enough. I could just put a base offset of -200, and then with this I could click this one and select the roof. It will hide that. So this one as well, select this and this, and now it's good like that. So now it's looking good. What we need to do is we need to add in some floors here from first floor to second. So that we could cover all of this. And then we're gonna do a sweep all over this. So for the sweep, I'm gonna use model in place, generic model, and then after that we click sweep and pick path. We're gonna pick all the edge here. So this will be time consuming, but you can skip this video if you want, because after we pick all the edge, we need to trim this. So here, so I need to trim this now so that I know where to trim it. So for now, I'm gonna do this on this spot because we can always edit. But later on, we're gonna put it on all edge. So it won't be time consuming for everyone. So I'm just gonna finish this. So sweep, more than one loop is allowed. So I just need to know where is that. So here, so I need to trim and extend this. That's why we have that error. So now I'm gonna add in a profile. So edit profile. First, I'm gonna select rectangle, and then I want that rectangle to be going from the inside like that. So around 500. And I want to have it 1500. So 1500, and then the thickness is 500. So I want it all around the edge. So I'm gonna click finish and then finish, and it will look like that. And then again, we need to select it to all throughout here. So I'm just gonna click finish for now. And as you can see, it looks nice. So I will do that all around the building. So what I'm gonna do next is I will just add a roof at the top of here. So click on architecture and then click on roof, and then of course the roof will be at level 9, but let's go to level 8 so that we can see this. So I'm gonna pick line, and same thing, we need to just add it from the inside. And then this roof will be doing it for each wing. So we need to trim this out again. And then click on this for the rest. And then now click finish, and let's look at it at 3D. And then here we just need to -200 for base offset. And then same thing here, you just need to click all of the walls, and then once you do, click this and click the roof again. It will disappear. So I'll do that afterwards, and then do this as well on the other side. So let's do that on the next video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.